Standard 10, Chapter 2, Topic Precursors of the Indian National Congress. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the pioneer of the Indian political movement of India. Pioneer means leader. He demanded the liberty of the press, appointment of the Indian civil services courts, higher post, codification of law, and etc. The first political association to be started in India was Landlorder Society in Kolkata in 1838. Many public associations were started in the different parts of India: Bengal, British India Society, Indian Association. The four main Indian National Congresses associations are East India Association, Indian Association, Indian National Congress, formation of Indian National Congress. Today we are starting with the briefly discussion with the East India Association. East India Association was founded in London 1866 by Dadabhai Naoroji. He provided all the Indian subjects to the British citizen, and the member of the parliament voice raised grievances of the Indians. Dadabhai Naoroji raised the voice against the grievances of Indians, all the Indian subjects, and etc. Very important question: who was the Grand Old Man of India? Grand Old Man of India was Dadabhai Naoroji. Second is Indian Association. Indian Association was founded 1876, that is headed by or founded by the Surendranath Banerjee. In this association, all the lawyers, professional, educated, and the middle class as its members. Means all the educated persons are the members of Indian Association. The branches of Indian Association was inside the Bengal and outside the town also. Objectives of the Indian Association. Point 1. Creation a strong body of public opinion. Point 2. Integration of the Indian people on the basis of common political interest. Point 3. Promote friendly relation between Hindus and Muslims. Point 4. Mass participation in public movement. There are total 4 points. The question will come according to 2 marks. Explain the Indian Association. What were the objectives of Indian Association? If it will come in 2 marks, then you have to write down only 3 points. The points you have to write down that I have been marked with the pink pen, that you have to learn only these points. Achievements of the Indian Association. They launched the agitation for License Act, Indian Arms Act, Vernacular Press Act, lowering the Act 20 to 19 of the ICSC.